Okay.
Okay, so we are leaving the IHOP where we had lunch. You can see there's an Applebee's here. This stuff here is newer. This is what I meant by this little area of town getting kind of a resurgence. And now, this is part 2 of our Wisconsin Dells Lake Delton tour. Megan is filming out the right side of the car, the passenger side of the car, with the GoPro. And Ben is filming out the left driver's side of the car with my Samsung Galaxy 8.
Your phone.
Yep. I'm not quite sure yet how I'm going to put these together, or if I'm going to separate them out, or if I'm even going to use this duration. Ben, with yours there, can you see the Paul Bunyan lumberjack nails?
I'm staring at it.
Okay.
Right now.
So we're kind of on the west side of Wisconsin Dells right now. Come on, cars, let's go. Good grief.
Beep beep.
And we're heading toward, oh yeah, see the rocks there, folks, in the distance behind the Dunkin' Donuts and the Taco Bell? That's some more of that, that rock structure that you see on the boat tour. Okay, so we're crossing this main intersection. The way that Megan's pointing right now down that street, we're going to do that in part 3. But right now we're going to show you, downtown Wisconsin Dells. So this would have been the original town that was built up first. Okay, so on the left, we have Pirate Cove Mini Golf. Pirate Cove Mini Golf has, like, I don't know, 8-10 different courses you can do. Some up on the bottom, some at the top. There's a candy kitchen with a fudge and stuff there. Oh, it's Pirate Cove Adventure Golf, sorry. You getting that, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, and then up here there's another mini golf, Timber Falls Mini Golf.
Look at all these cool rock formations.
Oh yeah, Megan's getting cool rock formations. And then over here, yeah, here's more of Timber Falls. This Timber Falls place has a lot of attractions and things. Okay, Megan's gonna show, we're now crossing the Wisconsin River. And down there below the dam is where the Lower Dells boat tour is. I don't want to hit this kid on the bike. Oh my gosh.
Oof.
Okay. Let him go first because he's making me nervous. Boy, that kid's brave. Okay, and then right here on the right, where on the GoPro, Megan, this is where you'd park if you're going to do the Upper Dells boat tours.
Did we do the upper one?
We did the upper. Over here through Ben's view, this little old building that says Upper Dells Boat Tours is where you actually get on the boat.
That's a nice construction.
On the right is the Amtrak station. Over there, that's where you park to get the train. Okay, and now we're in downtown Dells. And as you can see, it's lots of gift shops and fudge shops and candy shops. Here's Wizard Quest. That's kind of, it's like an interactive thing you do with wands.
Like a Great Wolf Lodge.
Like Magic Quest, yes.
Ripley's Believe It or Not. And then there's just like a whole bunch of shops and souvenir shops and candy shops. The downtown really is mainly shopping.
Mm-hmm.
If we turn, is it this corner? I'm not sure if it's this corner. It might be the next corner. I think it's the next one. Is where you turn to go to Chula Vista. Yeah, it's not this one. You can also buy attraction tickets. See here, Megan's showing. You can buy your Tommy Bartlett show tickets right there.
There's some on the other side.
Yeah, there's some on the other side of the street too.
Max!
What?
There's a Max!
What do you mean?
The mac and cheese place we like?
Oh, there's a downtown location too?
I guess so, because we just passed
Oh,
it.
there's also a Max by the Kalahari.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know, I'm telling the viewers. Okay, this is the fun zone. That's like an inside theme park. Here on Megan's side is one of the original Wisconsin ducks. That's an amphibious vehicle. They go in and out of the water and drive you around.
Big giant candy shop on the left.
Yeah, there's lots of candy shops.
I only like chocolate. Just telling you.
And then when we get over here to the east end of downtown, there are still a few of the original old little motels motels, like Fitzgerald's Motel right here. It's got vacancy. Smile, you're on vacation. The Colonial Motel right here. All the places to stay in the Dells used to be like that. But then we've got like a church, and now you can see we're getting into more of a residential part of town. So I'm actually going to turn around because Starlight Motel here on the left.
Dells County Historical Museum.
Yep, we're getting into more of the actual town. And then when you get down here, it turns into just a regular town. The tourist stuff kind of goes away. And up on this end of town, there's still another motel. Oh, this motel on the left is where I stayed in 5th grade when I came here for my 5th grade safety patrol trip. I stayed right there at the Indian Trail Motel.
That must have been.
Yep. And then the motels kind of end, and then you get into more of a residential part of town, and the schools and everything are up here, and so that's kind of the end of the touristy stuff. So we're going to end this video here. This is part 2, and we will pick up with part 3. Thanks, everyone. Safe travels.